looking at the water. So crazy. To make the water. I'm using my power.
It's giving princess treatment. Let's go, let's go. I said,
I remember when I went up to that Jesus.
It's gonna look pretty. I know it looks bad.
we're going to the boring mall. The boring mall. So we came to the mall. We're going to go get a coat. Me and the kiddos. Ooh. Me and the kids are gonna go get a coat. This way, Yunus. This way, that way. We're gonna go get a coat. It's totally like. Also, we're gonna walk around. We're also gonna walk around just because we were bored in the house. We're boring. But yeah, I'm finally gonna get a coat. I'm gonna be out of poverty. Thank God. Stylists. Yeah. Because what is this? Yeah? Maybe I'll just buy a thick sweater and call it a day. Because I don't even know if I'll be able to find coats. They already got swimming suits and stuff out. Like, am I even going to find a coat? Huh? I want something black. What size is this? Let me see this one. It's kind of cute. It's black and simple. It's giving running coat though. It looks like a running coat. I don't know. What you think of this one? Huh? Let me go over there. I don't know if I like this. It's giving men. This is so buzzing. Huh? You just want to show me something so bad. Okay. Oh, shit. You don't have a... I think I'll just take this one for now. I'll survive with this one. For now, I'll just take this one. These other ones, they don't even make sense. Also, we're not even on the JCPenney section. This is like... Where? Yeah, right away. Oh, child. Make careful my camera. Now we're just walking around in this boring mall. Yunus saw his favorite spot. The water fountain. Now, it's nasty. Don't touch.
There's a water.
Yeah. Yeah? Yeah, don't touch the water. You know the vibe that I get while sitting here? I get the vibe of doing a little motivational talk. My TED talk. Hey. It makes you what? Yeah. Sometimes it does. When mom send me stuff, she be sending me stuff, and then that's what happens. But yeah, I feel like doing a motivational talk for you guys. Ah? Huh? I just want to take a moment to say Alhamdulillah for everything that I have and my family. There you go. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. It's giving princess treatment.
looking at the water. So crazy.
Go ahead.
And
Where are you today?
we're at the mall and we're looking at the water. And I'm using my powers to make the water. I'm using my powers to make the water. To make the water. I'm using my powers to make the water. I'm using powers to make the water. And it's actually moving, so yeah, because I have real powers. I'm using my powers and the waters are actually pushing. None of them is pushing because while I'm doing it, they're trying to do it, and it's actually working because
Mine's working because I know how to use
just
powers.
lying.
They try to ruin my microphone today. I have nothing to say.
lying.
I have nothing
Our
to
powers
say
are
to you
working.
people.
I'm gonna drive with the wind.
What? You know, yes.
Mama!
Huh?
Mama! What's this article?
Go ahead, let's take a photo. That's not happening.
Your camera move! A photo on your camera? Yeah.
No, that doesn't take pictures. I'm just
It
saying.
does take pictures.
Pretend we're taking a photo. Ready? 3.
Mama, it does take pictures.
Okay.
2.
Yeah.
1. Go! Stop!
3, 2, 1. Cheese. Look over here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheese. Let's go. Let's go. They don't see you, God forbid. Oh, kind of accident. Outside is so lovely. Oh, look at this. Look at outside. It's so lovely. The weather is giving. Oh, can it be summer already? You guys have to see the little duckies. They look so adorable. Look,
I'm so sorry.
look at them. Can you see
me. I remember when I went up to that geese and said hello. You were at work.
Let's go see.
Here, you know. There's a kite. They're flying a kite.
Who is flying a kite? And why are they flying a kite without us?
Look.
Oh, nice, because it's windy.
Ugly.
The cake is out.
Everybody just
It looks so good.
Whoever grabs that, they got it.
It looks really nice.
Look at my